So most of the astronomical equations, we are going to develop something called as super resolution. Now what is resolution? You have a screen size. We generally say 1080p. P stands for progressive scanning. 1080i. I stands for interlace scanning. प्रोग्रेसिव में सारे लाइन स्कैन होते हैं, इंटरलेस में अल्टरनेट लाइन स्कैन होते हैं. और 1080 क्या है? सो 1920 एंड 1080 इज द HD resolution. Then you have a latest resolution called 4K. So what we are trying to do, see, if I show you a frame which is greater than 1/10 of the seconds, your eye cannot make out. So if I capture a galaxy shot, let's say there are some moons, there are some stars, etc. And if I give you these screenshots, then all the items will be in low resolution. And if you try to zoom in, you will start seeing the pixels. So each star could be just one pixel, and there is no detail whether it's a shape, what shape it is. So what we are going to do is move our camera slightly in some predefined angles, and we are going to get a multiple shots and of low resolution, and you can keep on sending these images. So this sky shots can be taken from Earth center, or it could be from a satellite. Now for satellite you cannot send a very high resolution image, so they keep on sending you low resolution image. जैसे आप गूगल पे कुछ सर्च करते हो तो पहले आपको थंबनेल दिखाई देते हैं. By that time you click a thumbnail, वो main figure download हो जाता है, and you can see there is some time of waiting buffer time. But why that thumbnail is turned? Because you will have an idea कि क्या देखने वाले हैं, and once you click on thumbnail you will get the actual picture download. If you will start downloading all the picture and then it will show you, it's gonna take like a huge time, and that's why. And during you are seeing the thumbnails, the next search is going on. So it just searched the first page initially, and it shows you there are 9,99 pages available. But actually what it is doing, it's just searching one page. By the time you read on that one page, it's searching a second page. So you start clicking 1, 2, 3, 4, tuck, 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 tuck. The Google will then wait. Let me search. So that's how that system works. And by showing you thumbnails, thumbnail is basically a low resolution image. So if you have multiple thumbnails, but each thumbnail is having a different information. Like you have a sun, and let's say first image was captured where this part is visible, a second image is captured where this part is visible, a third image is captured where this part is visible, a fourth image where this part is. So within a 4 pixel, if you see a single pixel you won't get any idea. If you combine these 4 pixels, you can get a shape of the star, sun, whatever. So that's why, see, this is a single pixel info. It might have something like this. So basically it's black and white, and then you can just judge. You can keep a color image also. Then there will be 3 such sections, RGB, and it's a complete software project which take multiple frames and construct super resolution image. Super resolution is, let's say this is 600 plus 800. But if I get 10 frames like this, I will make it 6000 by 800. तो पहले की केस में अगर मैं 100x तक जूम कर पा रहा था, I will able to zoom 1000x. और ये 1000x एक डायमेंशन से ही होता है. If you put zeros on 2 times, you will get actually 10,000x. So whenever you increase lengthwise, ऐसे stretch हो जाता है. If you widthwise, ऐसे stretch. बेसिकली आप 2x फैक्टर लगाते हो मल्टीप्लिकेशन का, तो फिगर का टोटल साइज 4x हो जाता है. 2 इस डायरेक्शन में, 2 इस डायरेक्शन में, 2 क्रॉस. These are the super resolution points, and it has the basic principle. If I give you 2 points, you can interpolate the third point when drawing a line between.